Aren't we smart?
Yeah,
we're smart today.
cleaned ourselves up today.
Why is this then?
Because we're going out, we're being taken out somewhere.
Oh, big surprise.
It's a mystery tour, isn't it?
A mystery tour, we don't know where we're going. So we thought, well, we'll get smartened up. Might be somewhere posh.
That we better make an effort.
Yeah.
It's Sunday, it's the 6th of, what, are we on April?
The new tax year begins today. So if you've got any money to put in your ISA, to put your £20,000 in, if you've got that much.
And it's very warm, isn't it?
It's a lovely day. Lovely blue sky. Not much of a wind at all, really. A slight breeze. I'm taking my drone. I've been told to take my drone, so we might be able to do a bit of flying today. And we're going for a meal somewhere, but we don't know where, do we?
It's all a secret.
It's all a secret. I've got my best bib and tucker on. I've got my Bradford City on because we went top yesterday, didn't we?
We did.
Top at table we are now. Top at table.
So, fingers crossed they'll stay there.
Yeah. Oh, I've been attacked by a mosquito. So we're just waiting now. They should be there any minute, and we'll let you know how we go on.
It's attacking me now.
Well, that was it.
Yeah.
Hey, what a mozzie.
I've just sprayed one in the bedroom as well.
Mozzies are out.
Let's go.
Hello. Good morning.
Sorry we're late.
It's all right.
We've just had
As some of you will know, we bought our house here in Torrevieja in 2017 through Casas Espania, and we've been friends ever since. They did a great job for us and helped us with many things during our house buying process, including our kitchen makeover and advice about the Spanish way of life. Unbeknown to us, we are heading for a place we haven't seen for many years. A beautiful place with a magical lake and amazing views called Embalse de la Pedrera.
Don't think they were electric bikes, do you?
No. Right, recording. Let's get it over there. Signal's fine. No wind warnings. Gonna go up a bit. Right. So I'm going towards it. Let me just go a little bit in a bit. Tilt down a bit. Just got to keep your eye on the time. I've got
See
19,
that cloud up there?
19 minutes left.
Right. That's where he's at.
Come on. Don't be frightened.
Come back to you.
Oh,
Safe and well.
that was fantastic, that. Really good. Pictures are superb.
Yeah. I thought it would be worth coming here
Oh, yeah.
and get some of that. Imagine that in Thailand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be fantastic.
We've had a nice little flight at the Embalse de la Pedrera. Pedrera, let me get it right. We flew around the lake. We flew around the lake. It was fantastic. What a beautiful day. Visibility more than 10 miles. And we're just getting off now to go back to see a restaurant. I think we still don't know where we're going.
So we're going to eat.
Yeah. So
Yes.
yeah, right.
See you later.
Let's crack on. We'll see you in a bit. We'll keep you informed.
Off we went to our secret destination, and it turned out to be the Finca Rebate Restaurante in Pilar de la Horadada. It's a venue in a beautiful setting with a small lake, a church, and lots of reception
Wow.
spaces inside and outside.
Got a lake there.
The venue is ideal for weddings, celebrations and parties.
Yeah,
Looking forward to some scram.
I am. I'm just taking a few photos. It's so pretty.
Yeah.
The meal was accompanied by the mariachis group playing Mexican-style music with trumpet and guitars.
do you say that?
Sugerencia.
There you go. That's how you say that.
We chose to have the menu succurentia. This means the suggested menu, and it was a delicious 5-course meal at €35 per head. The first course was the aperitivo, which consisted of 2 croquettes, 1 ham and 1 chicken, and a pea, potato and curry tikka with tzatziki sauce on shrimp bread.
What do you think?
This was followed up with the entrees, to choose between melon salad ham, blue cheese and mango vinaigrette, or beetroot cold soup, salmorejo, decorated with a boiled egg.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Then the primero, a grilled artichoke flour with parmesan cheese, ham and egg yolk. On to the main course, principalas, a choice of grilled salmon fillet or pork tenderloin in pepper sauce. The fish and meat dishes come with a side of French fries, vegetable tempura and mixed vegetable fries. And to finish off we had the postre, chocolate and cookies cake with vanilla ice cream.
Well, we've had a really lovely meal, courtesy of Casas Espania, who's treated us today at this fantastic place, and we've really enjoyed it, haven't we?
We've eaten so much we can hardly move.
I'm absolutely... What's for tea?
Nothing for tea today.
So on that note, it's time to wrap the video up. So, it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already.
Because it's free.
And don't forget to hit that notification bell.
3, 2,
1.
Ding!
Adios.
Yeah.